सो हाय गाइस, आज हम बात करेंगे कि 15th में स्लॉट 1 में कौन कौन से क्वेश्चंस आए इन मैथ्स, साइकोलॉजी, इंग्लिश एंड पॉल साइंस. फर्स्ट थिंग दैट वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट इज इंग्लिश. आज के पेपर में फिर थे दो आरसीज, वन वॉज फैक्चुअल, वन वॉज नरेटिव. एक था क्रिकेट एंड हिस्ट्री के ऊपर और नरेटिव वाला था अ गर्ल रिविजिटिंग हर होम. देन देयर वर लॉट्स एंड लॉट्स ऑफ वोकैबुलरी क्वेश्चंस दैट वाज आस्क्ड एंड द वर्ड्स दैट इंक्लूडेड लाइक इलिसिट. Then there were certain words from grammar और आज के रिव्यू में grammar was very heavy, जिसमें था direct and indirect speech. Then you have active passive voice, subject verb agreement, sentence correction, adjectives, prepositions, figures of speech, and there were certain questions from the poetic devices also. Next thing that we are going to talk about कि psychology में क्या था. Psychology में थे questions most of the chapters, that was chapter 1 and 2. Then you have certain questions from chapter 5 as well. Then there was a case study based on the topic of disorder. 3 questions about intelligence test in the box and 2 questions from chapter 7 was there, except 3 to 4 questions from stress and immune was there, like how it affects the natural killer, impairs functioning, moderate level of stress leads to increase of immunological health, and 2 questions were there from Guilford's classification, like how many categories do we have. The next thing that we're going to talk about is mathematics. Maths में थे सबसे ज़्यादा questions of calculus. Calculus had the highest weightage in the paper. Questions थे direct NCERT में से. Differential calculus equations थे, formula and concept based questions थे, और एक question था which was greatest integer function find करना था of a definite integral. उसके बाद एक या दो question थे of differential calculus 2. फिर probability also had a very good weightage. Topic asked was conditional probability. Then you had direct formulas based questions. 3D geometry में से भी questions आए थे which was moderate level. Questions included shortest distance between skew lines and certain numerical based questions. उसके बाद अगर बात करें vectors में से आए थे मोस्टली PYQ क्वेश्चंस. तो अगर अभी तक आपने PYQ सॉल्व नहीं किया, मेक श्योर अपने मैथ्स के एग्जाम से पहले PYQ सॉल्व कर लो. और उसमें से एक क्वेश्चन था विच वॉज बेस्ड ऑन दी वेक्टर आइडेंटिटी. देन वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट कि पॉल साइंस में क्या था. पॉल साइंस में मोस्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस वाज क्रोनोलॉजिकल बेस्ड, जो थे बेस्ड ऑन योर EU टाइमलाइन, देन UNSG टेन्योर्स, इंदिरा गांधी टाइमलाइन, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ सोशलिस्ट एंड कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी. उसके बाद there were certain match to columns that was asked, like PM of India, then you have Atal Bihari Vajpayee, Chaudhary Charan Singh, and questions related to Hyderabad movement and Manipur accession. Except for that, you had one passage from the environment chapter. Then UN Conference of Environmental and Development dates was also asked, along with the welfare state of prime determinant of socio-economic priorities. So this was all for today. Now we are going to see you tomorrow with another analysis.